All the footage you can use. Okay.
All right, so today we're gonna hang out with the litter Midnight Phantom and Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard. So Midnight Phantom, that is the mother. Her call name is Raleigh. And Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard, that's the father. His call name is Reese. So these guys were born November 2nd, 2022. And they're estimated to be around 35 to 40 pounds fully grown. So 35 to 40 pounds fully grown. Boing.
Boing.
Doesn't even squeak anymore. Orange, nap time's over. Flip-a-doo, flip-a-doo. Pink comes flying in. Wah! Ah! Teethless gum kisses. Yes, thank you so much. What is this? Go, right there. Oh, jeez. I'm having a terrible time right now. Ah! No fighting. No fighting. Okay, I'm gonna get up.
Careful.
Ah! How's my hair? Okay, guys, let me introduce you. You wanna have some camera time? I'll get closer. Okay. Here look, Wally. Oh no. You guys are silly. All right, let's do you guys. Hey, come here. You'll be first. All right, guys. I'm gonna do your brother. Okay. Whoo. All right, so this is our first pup. This is Red Band Boy. Red Band Boy, just like the rest of this litter, is called a phantom puppy, a black phantom. So this is just, phantom is pretty much just like the markings of a Rottweiler, like a Doberman, pups like that, but this is an Labradoodle. So this is our phantom markings. The eyebrows, the little face, the legs. He's got a little phantom booty. And this is Red Band Boy. He's gonna have a black nose and brown eyes. His black coat will stay black. And this is Red Band Boy. Wagtail. Red Band Boy. All right. Next I'm gonna do Cuddlebug Orange in your lap. All right. So next we got Orange. Orange Band here is a phantom as well. Black Phantom boy. So he has the black coat with the apricot markings. He has slighter apricot markings than Red Band. So they're just a little, these guys. All right. And this is Orange Band boy. Yellow. All right. Our next runner-up, we got Red Band. Just kidding. This is Yellow Band. So Yellow Band here is a female pup. She is a phantom, a black phantom. Has the black markings, the black coat with the apricot markings. She will have a black nose and brown eyes, just like the rest of this litter. Children. And this is Yellow Band Girl. Yellow. Whoa, where are you going? Excuse me. You're next. Wait, we gotta get a close-up of Yellow. Yellow. All right. Next, we got this little boy. This is Mr. Green Band Boy. Green Band Boy here is a phantom pup, black phantom. He has the apricot markings. And this is Mr. Green Band Boy. Black nose, brown eye. You are a cuddle bug today, Orange. Green, blue. Blue, blue. Oh, you're making me move. Okay, come hither. Come here. Thank you. Come here, sir. All right. This is Mr. Blue Band Boy. Blue Band Boy is an apricot. I'm just kidding. He is a black phantom. He has the apricot markings on his black coat. He has the black nose, brown eyes, fleece coat. This is Blue Band Boy. Are you pickpocketing me? Get out of my pocket. You two, both of you. You two, I need you. Come here. All right. Whoa. Wait. Okay. Next, we got Pink Band Girl. Pink Band Girl here is a beautiful phantom pup. Black coat, apricot markings. She will have a black nose and brown eyes. And this is Miss Pink Band Girl. Excuse me, no, another one. All right, right behind you, I need the last one. Purple Band, right? That's purple? Mm-hmm. All right. So last runner up, we got Purple Band Girl. Purple Band. Purple Band Girl is a phantom pup. She's got the apricot markings, black nose, brown eyes, beautiful fleece coat. Hi, girl. Tired. And this is Miss Purple Band Girl. What are you guys doing over there? Purple. Hello, Orange. Trying to crawl in my pocket. Hi, guys. All right, now I'm gonna go get them a surprise. They have no idea what's coming. Mama Midnight Phantom. Her whole name is Raleigh. Hi. Here we got Mama Raleigh. Raleigh, baby girl. You're being very patient. Thank you, Mom. Did you burp? Oh, green just popped out. Here's Purple Band Girl, got a milk mustache. Yummo. Good. All right, so this is the litter, Midnight Phantom and Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard for November 2nd, 2022. 35, 40 pounds, fully grown.